Hi, my name is Kristen. I work for Daly City Recreation, and today we're going to be making a 3D bird craft. So the supplies you're going to be needing are 3 pieces of construction paper, 2 of one color and 1 of another, and then also a small piece of orange or yellow construction paper, a stapler, a Sharpie, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. So the first thing you want to do is you want to fold your paper in half hamburger style and then cut out the bird's body as shown. Now you're going to add the second color to the bird's body as shown. So now you're going to take the construction paper that's the same color as your bird's body, you're going to cut it in half and accordion fold both halves. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take one of them, you're going to fold them in half, and then you're going to take the other and cut it in half. Now you're going to take your bird's body, you're going to gently fold it in half and make it cut near the top in the middle, and then you're going to take the paper that you folded in half and stick it through. So now you're going to take the paper that you cut in half and you're going to staple it to the end of the bird's body to act as a tail. Now you're going to take your orange or yellow construction paper, cut out a beak, paste it, and then also add some eyes to it. So I hope you enjoyed making this craft, and I'll see you next time.